Okay, so what we're going to look at is how to fix your website if things are showing up. Actually, I'll go to my Unit 1 page. If instead of these items looking like they do once this page loads, if they have a message on them that says something like, you need permission to see this item. Here's how we'd fix that. Go to your Google Drive, and we are going to click on New, and you're going to create a folder. This is a shortcut. So we're going to create a folder, and I want you to call this folder Computer Apps Portfolio. If you call it Computer Applications Portfolio, you won't fail. Click on Create. All right, then your folder should be highlighted right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Person Plus button here at the top of your drive, because what we're going to do is we're going to change the permissions, which I want to caution you, we're not going to make this so the world can see it by Google searching your name. We are going to click on the Get Shareable Link button, and we're going to change our permissions to anyone with the link. So anyone with the link can see them if they have the exact access to your document. Again, this doesn't mean somebody can Google search your name and find your stuff. They have to have direct access. Click on Save. And now what you're going to do is you are going to move anything that someone couldn't see into that folder. And anything inside of that folder will now take on the permissions of the folder. So rather than going and changing it for everything, you can move it to the folder. Now you might be wondering how to move it to that folder. Let me show you. There's a couple different ways. One way I like to do it is I like to click on My Drive here at the top, this little arrow, and make all of these show up, all my folders show up. And now I can, over here, find my assignments. So let me just find something that I put on my site. So for instance, maybe I'm going to take my company overview. Actually, I can go back to my drive. I don't need to open it up. I could. I can just take my company overview, and I can drag it over into, into my Computer Applications Portfolio folder. So if I drag that over, which I should be able to, I click on OK. Now it's in that folder, and it takes on those permissions. So you would need to go and find the assignments that aren't showing up correctly and pull them into the folder. So to be clear, the best practice would be for everything in your Google Drive, add it to that folder. Anything that's going to go on your website that's in your Google Drive, add it to this folder right here, and it will display on your website properly.